Hey guys, and welcome to 4th grade math. Today I wanted to do a quick review of our 4th grade math standard NBT 5, which is to multiply a whole number of up to 3 digits by a 1-digit whole number. So most of us have been practicing the double-digit multiplication more recently, and so I just wanted to kind of go backwards and review and focus on the 3 by 1 digit multiplication standard, which we use the same algorithm of the area model. If you'll look with me, your packet has this worksheet in it, winter multiplication. So I'm going to be going over this a little bit with you. So if you want to go ahead and grab this worksheet, and we'll work through some of these problems together, okay? So winter multiplication worksheet, the first question is 9,321 times 7. Now, I wrote this problem down on my board, and let's talk about setting this up in our area model, which is very similar to our double-digit multiplication area model. So we put our single-digit number out here to the side, and then I'm going to expand this 9,321. And when I expand a number, that means I'm breaking it apart by its place value. So I'm pulling out the thousands. There's 9. Okay. I'm pulling out the hundreds. How many are in the hundreds place? Good. 3. So 300. Pulling out my tens place. How many are in the tens place? Good. 2. So that's 20. And there's 1 in the ones place. So now I draw my area model, okay? And I just multiply across. So you can start here, you can start at the end. See if I can make my box a little bit prettier there. It doesn't really matter. So 7 times 9,000. Remember our trick when we're multiplying by tens, hundreds, thousands? You can multiply the actual whole number digit and then add how many zeros are in that. So what's 9 times 7? 63. Good job. And how many zeros are in 9,000? 1, 2, 3. So 7 times 9,000 is 63,000. Now I'll move down to my hundreds block. 7 times 3 is 21. And there's 2 zeros here. So 7 times 3 is 2,100. Now I'm going to move on down to my tens column. 7 times 2 is 14, and I have 1 0 in the tens place. So 7 times 20 is 140. And then all the way down to my ones column. So 7 times 1 is 7. Now I'm going to take all these partial products and I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to write down 63,000 plus 2,100 plus 140 plus 7. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, and then I bring my 6 down. So 9,321 times 7 is 65,247. Okay, let's practice this again with the next one. The next problem is 2,450 times 6. Let me get my board erased here. It's being a little stubborn. Okay, so I have 2,450 times 6. Okay, so I'm going to draw my area model here. My 6 goes out here on the end, and then I'm going to expand 2,450. Okay, so how many are in the thousands place? 2, so that's 2,000. How many are in the hundreds place? 4, so that's 400. How many are in the tens place? 5, so that's 50. And I have 0 in the ones place. Okay. Now that I have my model drawn, I can multiply. 6 times 2,000. 6 times 2 is 12. And there's 3 zeros in 2,000, so I'm going to add that. So 6 times 2,000 is 12,000. Now I'm going to go to my 400s column. 6 times 4 is 24. And there's 2 zeros in 400. So 6 times 400 is 2,400. Now I'm going to go to my tens column. 6 times 5 is 30, and there's 1 0 in that tens place. So 6 times 50 is 300. And 6 times 0 is 0. Now that I have my partial products solved, I can add them together. So I have 12,000 plus 2,400 plus 300 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Another column of zeros. 0 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4, and I bring this 1 down. So 2,450 times 6 is 14,700. Now let's do the next one. Number 3 is 7,943 times 6. So I write this down, 7,943 times 6. Bring my board back out for you. So I put my 6 here, and then I'm expanding 7,943. There's 7 thousands. Okay, write that down. In my hundreds place, I have 9, so that's 900. I have 4 tens, that makes 40, and 3 ones. Finish drawing my box here. Okay, 6 times 7,000. 6 times 7 is 42, and there's 3 zeros. I'm working in the thousands place. So 6 times 7,000 is 42,000. Now I'm moving down to the hundreds place. 6 times 9 is 54, and I'm in the hundreds place, so I'm adding 2 zeros. So 6 times 900 is 5,400. Moving down to the tens place, 6 times 4 is 24, and since I'm in the tens place, I'm going to add that 1 0, so 6 times 40 is 240. And then in the ones place, 6 times 3 is 18. These are called partial products, every answer in these boxes. Okay, so now I'm going to add them together to get my total answer. So I have 42,000 plus 5,400 plus 240 plus 18. It's important when you're adding up your partial products to make sure that you line them up correctly. So if you start at the left and go down, you'll line them up in order from largest to greatest, okay? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 make 5. 0 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7, and I bring my 4 down. So 7,943 times 6 is 47,658. Put that on my sheet. 47,658. Okay. I think we'll have time for one more. So let's do 8,524 times 2. Write my problem at the top of my board. Okay. And I'm going to break apart or expand out my 8,540. So I have 8 in the thousands place, so that's 8,000. I have 5 in my hundreds place, that's 500. 20 in my tens place, and 4 ones. And I'm going to multiply all of this by 2. So 2 times 8,000. 2 times 8 is 16, and since I'm in the thousands place, I'm adding these 3 zeros. Okay, so 2 times 8,000 is 16,000. Now I'm moving to the hundreds place. 2 times 500 is 1,000. 2 times 20 is 40, and 2 times 4 is 8. Do you remember what these 4 numbers are called? Right, partial products. Good job. So now I'm going to add up my partial products, and I'm just going to line them up in order from greatest to smallest. So 16,000 plus 1,000 plus 40 plus 8. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7, and I bring this one down. So 8,524 times 2 is 17,048. Okay? Now that we've gone over these 4 and we worked out the models together, it's your turn to show me how you can solve these on your own. You guys work on the next 4 if you haven't already done them, and once you finish, maybe post a picture in the comments of this video so that you can take pride in your work and share in all that you do. Okay? I hope everyone's having a great day, and I hope that you found this review of NBT 5, where we're multiplying up to 3-digit, 4-digit numbers by 1, helpful. Keep practicing and keep studying those multiplication facts.